Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
What's up, everybody? Welcome to One Tech Reviews. It's your boy Steve-O. Today we're going to be taking a look at a few accessories for our iPhone. Now, for everything in this video, we'll go ahead and drop a link in the description so you guys can go ahead and check these items out. Now, without further ado, let's get into it. So first up, we have the Apple MagSafe Charger. Now, this will run you $40. It only comes in one color, white. And the first thing I noticed about this is it doesn't come with a charger. From what I know, this literally is a wireless charging pad with the USB-C cable attached with no power brick. I said this in a previous video, this shouldn't be the lay of the land. I don't know how we got to this point, but this needs to stop. This is unacceptable. And like I said, this is not limited to just Apple products. This is Android across the board. Everyone's doing it, and it doesn't make sense. We need to put an end to this. But I digress. Nonetheless, let's go ahead and crack this open. So like I said, this will run you $40 straight from Apple. I think Amazon has it slightly cheaper, but $40 is the MSRP. And for $40, you should definitely be getting a charger to go along with it. So typical Apple packaging, very clean, minimalistic. Got your coiled cable, and here you can see our charger. Let's see if we can get this out without ripping it, but let's just go ahead and rip this guy out. And there we go. We got our MagSafe charger. Now this will charge your phone at 15 watts if you're using the Apple 20-watt charger or an appropriate Qi charger with 3.0 power delivery and 20 watts or above. So to go along with our MagSafe charger, we've also got a MagSafe Car Mount. Now this is made by Spigen, not sure how to pronounce that, but this will cost you $18. Now this is available on Amazon, and it's available in black and white. So let's go ahead and get this guy open. Let's put our charger in here. We'll see how it fits, how it works. So we get a vent clip, hook this onto your air vent. I believe this does also work for vertical vents as well. You can loosen up that to get it all tight. What else we got in here? Got some instructions. Definitely give this a look. We've looked at it, set it to the side. We've also got some sticky material just in case this thing starts losing its stickiness over time. And you see here's that other sticky material here. And this is where your MagSafe charger will sit. You use this in conjunction with your carport. Let's go ahead and put this together. There we go. And you see, this is how it'll sit in your car. Let's go get our charger in here. Now, a lot of people think you put the cable through this hole, but this is actually a push-out hole. So if you ever want to swap this out, maybe this dies or something, use a pen or something, stick in behind here, and it'll push the charger out. It will take some force once you get this sticky material attached to your charger. But this is how it'll sit. You go ahead and put it on your vent. You can set your phone on top. And next we got a case from S-Speak. Now I did pick this up from Amazon. This will run you $17. Now this case does come in a pink, blue, and black. We've got the pink version here. Let's go ahead and open this guy up. Like I say, we'll put the links in the description. Got a lucky promo card. Depending on how you look at that, you could be lucky or unlucky. Some foam wrapping, and we've got our case here. Now this back is a nice soft leather. This case is MagSafe ready. You can put your MagSafe wallet on this or use the MagSafe charger. We'll test it out in a bit, test that grip. And this version is for the iPhone Pro, iPhone 13 Pro. which we've got here. We'll go ahead and put this inside. And I believe they also make this for the 13 Pro Max, the regular 13, and the mini. So you can see this is how it's going to look on your iPhone. Nice and smooth. Yes, it's pretty nice. I'm going to go ahead and grab that MagSafe charger. We'll be back in just a sec. Okay, so now we've got our wireless charger and our MagSafe Car Mount, and we've got our case here. Now, I did see a few reviews that said that this car mount didn't necessarily work with the iPhone 13 Pro due to the proximity between the MagSafe charging ring and the camera. But I found that this actually works pretty well together. You can see that actually just works. And it's a very good grip. Like, this is really good. You're going to need two hands to take this off. This isn't coming off while you're driving or anything like that. One thing I did forget to mention about this case is it does have a nice lip around here for the camera. So you're not going to, scratch this. Oh, you see it just came on because of the charging. But you're not going to scratch your camera lens if you lay this, flat on the back or face down. You can move this around without worrying about scratching your case because it does have a lip all around the screens and the glass. So you're not going to scratch your phones at all. So my overall thoughts about this, very good quality. My gripes are always going to be the same with Apple. Apple put bricks in your boxes. It's unacceptable. I think the case itself is great. Yeah, I think it's a great case. It feels good in the hands. Pink is not my favorite color, but it's going to be somebody's favorite color. But like I said, it does feel good. It's going to protect your phone. If you want to keep track of all our upcoming videos, go ahead and subscribe. We'll see you guys in the comments, and stick around for the next one. Take
Check
care.
the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.